Hi, here's the continuation of my DIY landscaping project. I wanted to showcase first the batch of plants I ordered from the D'Greenerybox Dvo. The seller provided me with a certain set good enough for a newbie like me because I wouldn't know yet if they'll survive under my care. They all looked so pretty and healthy. Indeed, plants add a color of life and I love looking at them. I'm done with repotting and I chose to variety as my indoor plants. I am so pleased with its simplicity. Alrighty, let's take a look at my progress. This is where we left off from part 1. The right side of the yard is done for now. Then I work my way on the other side. I decided to simply use fake lawn for now for purpose of uniformity, but I have a better plan on this left corner of the yard. I got the inspiration of adding white stones this way from one of the private properties in Samel when my teammate took us there. And I like the contrasting effect as it elevates the brightness of my surroundings. My goal isn't perfection. It's about adding a touch of life to create a distinction in the neighborhood that the homeowner is incessantly meticulous. Char. But seriously, this is the side of Netzel that finds joy in what she does. Thanks for watching. Till my next DIY project.